receive your delivery from your kindly postman. Open up and keep your unique Vivaz Dance shoe bag. Take the shoes out of the packaging and remove the protective inserts. Open up your customer purchase pack, which includes a code for 10% off your future orders with us, as well as details on how to return or exchange your shoes. Have a read through our little book of dance shoe care instructions. This will show you how to brush them, store them, and keep them clean. Next, try the shoes on. We use the quick release buckle system. Adjust accordingly before drawing up the straps. The straps should fit firmly around the ankle for optimal support. Check that there is no gap between your heel and the back of the shoe. Your toe should be right at the end, and it should be snug at the widest part of your foot. Finally, head out in your new Vivaz Dance shoes and tag us in our socials to be featured.